所不在，心与你同在，你心中的光。星光人寿。
运动真的很重要，尤其是你在世界各地飞翔的时候，各地有太多美食，你无法抗拒。所以这时候呢，你就要增加你的肌肉量，你才会有没有代谢率才会变高。人年纪到的时候呢，代谢就会变慢，所以你要增加你的肌肉量啊，你的代谢率就会增高。这样子你就算吃多，你也不会怕胖。那当然饮食还是要节制啦。可是我觉得我很开心，就是能够爱上运动这件事情。因为当你在运动的时候，你的身体不会骗你，因为你给他什么，他就会回应给你什么。反正运动是件好事，运动就是让我吃不胖的好原因。
Bags are packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way.
My name is Bart Kuikens. I'm from Antwerp. I love to shoot Porsche 911. What I like about the 911 is the timeless shape. It looked amazing in the 60s, it looked amazing in the 80s, and it will still look amazing in 100 years. Sometimes I'm driving in the harbor of Antwerp, early morning. I put my car there and I'm just standing, walking around it. And then you have this moment. That's what makes it all worth it. I think the 911 has always pushed boundaries in terms of timeless design.
Okay, everyone, 30 seconds to go.
¿Cuál es el objetivo marcado?
3, 2, 1, send them.
When you're in long-distance transport, being at the right place at the right time can make or break you. That's why we let the new generation Scania trucks and services take on the most demanding challenge there is: time itself.
Ladies and gentlemen, everything that we're doing here in the next 3 or 4 days is a team effort. But the main thing is you always stay in your lane, you always keep your speed, and if there's a problem you will hear a stop, stop, stop on your radio, and that means an emergency stop.
At a deserted airfield in the middle of nowhere, we set out to build a gigantic clock entirely made out of trucks. To succeed, precision was key.
Vi måste hålla koll på det är ju den här exakta klockslaget. Vi måste träffa ett speciellt märke på en viss tid.
45 is spot on.
With a team of 90 drivers and 14 trucks equipped with all the tools in the new generation Scania, our goal was to keep the clock running for 24 hours straight, keeping time down to the second.
You got to anticipate changing the speed down as you come into the curve and then up as you're coming out, keeping it as close as we can to 60 seconds.
All trucks had to be tailored depending on their position in the clock to maintain correct and even speed while minimizing fuel consumption. With the correct specifications, we could keep wear and tear to a minimum and avoid unexpected stops.
Doing a grand job, guys. Keep it up. Very, very good, thank you.
Scania driver training was a crucial component to make everything work.
We'll keep between 3 and 4 meters on each side when we're all in the 12 o'clock position. You've got to give yourself over to believing that the number 1 truck, the number 2 and the number 5 are trustworthy, and you're going to trust what they're doing.
The trucks faced a broad variation of difficulties depending on which hand they operated in.
Se att du kör lite för fort. Trycker du på bromsen då är du borta. Du måste lära dig att se, okej, här ska jag släppa upp gasen. Eller kanske använda lite på retarden eller sänka lite på cruise-kontrollen.
Number 3, now you need to keep up. Keep it coming.
For the minute and the hour hand, it was all about perfect sync. Start, stop. Start, stop.
Hey guys, it's looking good, that line. Very nice. Great work. Coming to 12.
The brain of the whole operation was our connected services, such as Scania Fleet Management. From the control tower, Scania Fleet managers could keep track of all the parts and constantly monitor every vehicle's status and driving patterns. The data enabled us to always stay one step ahead and foresee any problems that could arise.
Looking good, number 1. Keep it coming. Well done. Smack on again. Excellent. You're dead on.
Det är ju en extrem påfrestning att sitta och köra på det här sättet. Så att efter 2 timmar man är helt färdig. Så då har vi bytt i farten, vilket har varit ganska kul.
No matter if you're hauling grain or fuel, no matter if you're driving general cargo or building a 750,000 square foot clock, the new generation Scania will offer a solution for the only business that matters: yours. The clock was running for 24 hours straight, keeping time all the way. Like Benjamin Franklin once said, "You may delay, but time will not."